The VFe36 was born to affirm its strong personality within the well-defined new family of Vinfast electric cars. A personality made of a unique style, imposing volume, generous spaces, retaining a sensitive bond with the family's charisma, but distinguishing itself for its grandeur and elegance. The exterior took inspiration from the nautical, a sector in which Pininfarina has been active for more than 30 years. The impressive volumes are made dynamic by the proportion and the design of the roof with its strong inclination and floating feeling, a very distinctive element of the site. It is treated like the flybridge of the yachts, descending towards the rear of the car, donating lightness and sportiness to the profile. The theme of the suspended elements has become the stylistic mark of the car. Also in the front, in fact, the Pininfarina design team has created an air bridge that strongly connotes the style and is at the same time an important functional element, while the rear is characterized by a visually suspended upper tail, a solution that provides the car with extra strength and lightness at the same time. The interiors, in keeping with the exteriors, have been designed to guarantee maximum space and comfort for both the driver and passengers. The main theme was inspired by the airline business class and designed to ensure that each passenger has their own armchair and their own private space, but still keeping a visual connection with the others. Everywhere surrounded by a unique atmosphere as a mix of the newest technology and handcrafted materials. A Vinfast tailored to the world.